welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I shape my face. I start with a clean face and I use an astringent. In this case, I'm using witch hazel to make sure that my face is completely clean with no oils. Once your face is completely clean, you want to use a blade. I always use a brand new brow shaver straight out of the pack. I pull my skin taut and shave downward in very small strokes. I take my time with this. I sped up the video for time purposes. I used to get facials every 30 days and would always include dermablading. I found that it makes my skin look smoother under my makeup. I also found since starting to dermablade, it removes hair and dead skin cells from my skin, which allows the products I use in my skincare routine to penetrate my skin deeper and give me better results. I'm getting married, y'all, and I need to save money. So I stopped spending that extra $100 a month on a facial and started doing this at home. And I couldn't be happier. My skin has totally changed since doing this. I work my way downward ever so gently on each section of my face. I feel like you have way more control doing it this way, so you don't cut yourself. Always try not to go over the same spot too many times. You don't want to irritate your skin. If you do, you'll have these small, tiny bumps that surface, and you don't want that. I wouldn't recommend trying your nose for the first time, but if you feel like you got the hang of it, do it. It's so crazy how much hair you have around your nose. I don't have that clip in here because I did get really up close and personal to the mirror to make sure I got every inch of my nose. Y'all, look at all this hair. That's so crazy. Next, I go in with the serum. You can use any serum you want. I use Monat's Age Rewind. I love the serum because it helps tackle uneven skin, age spots, fine lines, and wrinkles. And I end with safflower seed oil. I love this because it brings a boost of moisture to my skin, which I definitely need after shaving my face completely dry. And that's it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Don't forget to share this video if you care. See you next time.